Kalong kasngi jong kajingkimen ni kibabun ki samla puli ki belayo banket uso ubatiang ke Eksamin Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Examination ajar apusau jong ke subject Science but Commerce. Hadian belapan benai ke result henne kasngi. Ke Laban Bangalee Boys High Secondary School kelayo banbat ya ke kedan bah Hakhieh du. Haka Science kat bah ke St. Mary's High Secondary School kelayo banbat ya ke kedan bah Hakhieh du haka Commerce. Kini kilong ki khubor ki bebenia.
Education negasngi kalapan penaya ka result jangka Higher Secondary School Living Certificate haka subject Science but Commerce kontuk ru ka vocational haka ba prapusan point arsau nakasispa kidai haka subject Science kat ba prapo point ar ndrio nakasispa kidai haka Commerce bachispa nakasispa kidai haka vocational usahan bahta jerji ubalawan haka kerdan baningkong naka Laban Bangalee Boys Higher Secondary School haka Science Stream ulapun pau ka jings ngo kenden namar shim lapoi perkhat ba undan haka teka thom ka ba Hakhieh du naka jing thmu ban longkum uklo du ba tengshan haka lawei ka banwan ubahta jerji ulakhmi lenti ba un beteng ya ka physics kum ka major subject namar ka jing thrang ka jong u ka long ban puli khampanya halor ka hau
Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10-15 hours a day you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible. Right.
Haka we pat kaliang kasamla ferry filarishawan kabalayo ban ikakerdan baningkong naka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School haka Commerce kala ai burom syakinong hikai bat kikmi kikpa kibala ai jingkershan ika tekumta ka jing angnut ka jongka kalong ban penkre bat ban kenjo asyakathong haki Eksamin Civil Service.
I feel really happy, really grateful. So at first, makam ekstaka ban block up remarks, but then it's all because of my teachers, my parents, and my support really mentally, physically, emotionally. So it's all because of them and my hard work. I'll go be combat and then side by side I'll do competitive exam.
I'm immensely proud of each one of them. Their achievements bring great honor to our institution and serve as a shining example of the high standards of excellence that we strive to uphold.
Kakubor ban ai min siem sya ki samla puli kini ki angun kilapun pau ba kalong ka ba kongsan ha ka ban trai shitom bat ban pen ulong ye ki jing angnun na ka banta ban kenjo sya ka thong. Video report DD News Meghalaya.